Hi guys, I'm Mark Jasper and I'm new to this channel, and my channel is Jasper Racing. And hopefully support nyo ako sa mga videos na gagawin ko in the future. And for today's video, gagawa tayo or magre-recreate tayo ng mga classic painting. And yung painting na to is yung Starry Night, and gagamitin nating medium is yung oil pastel. So dito guys, nakapag-prepare na tayo ng Oslo paper, and then didikitan natin siya ng masking tape at gagawa tayo ng border niya para malinis siya tingnan kapag gumawa tayo ng art. Ayan, dahil natapos natin lagyan ng border yung ating Oslo paper, pwede na tayong mag-drawing gamit yung lapis, and then after nun, kukulayan natin siya using oil pastel, and yun, para matapos natin yung art natin. And babalik ako, lalagyan ko lang to ng drawing. And hello again. So since nagawa na natin yung drawing with our pencil, ngayon kukulayan naman natin siya. So let's go. So fun facts lang guys about the Starry Night. Si Vincent van Gogh yung gumawa ng Starry Night, and he was suffering to a mental health while painting this masterpiece. And also, yung mga strokes na nakikita natin sa Starry Night, yung maliliit na strokes na yun, and meron siyang iba't ibang kapal. It represents the emotion of Van Gogh, yung paiba-ibang niya ng emotion. Yun, yung swirling pattern, yan nakikita natin sa sky na ginagawa ko, is yun yung mga emotions ni Van Gogh while doing the painting. Another fact about this painting guys is itong village sa Starry Night. This village wasn't even real. It is based on imagination of Vincent van Gogh. Dahil wala nga siyang reference nung ginagawa niya tong painting nito, since nakakulong siya sa isang mental health facility sa France while doing this painting. Hello guys, so ginabi na tayo sa paggawa natin ng art, and ang ginawa ko is nilagay ko lang siya sa frame. Ginapit ko muna yung ating masking tape, and then nilagay ko na siya sa frame. So yun, makikita natin na yung finished product natin, which is yung Starry Night. Thank you for watching.